Hi friends. In today's video, I will be showing you how to stick Spigen full screen tempered glass protector for my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I have a 10s Max tempered glass protector. Will it work for 11 Pro Max? I'm not sure. Let's find out.
In the box, you get a full screen tempered glass, microfiber cloth, cleaning wipes, and an instruction booklet. First, use lens and screen cleaning wipes to clean your iPhone screen. Make sure you clean well and leave no dust on your screen. Once you are done with wet wipes, use the microfiber dry cloth to dry your screen. Please make sure there are no dust on your phone. Additionally, you can use stickers provided in the box to remove any remaining dust on your phone. Then peel off the sticker behind the tempered glass and carefully place this on top of the phone and press down gently. Push gently on the top of the screen to spread the glue evenly on the screen. If there are any air bubbles, don't worry. Use a fiber cloth and gently press the bubbles to the corner of the screen. After a couple of press, my phone was free from air bubbles. Picture looks crisp, the screen is very responsive and feels great due to its curved edges. I will definitely recommend this tempered glass to those who prefer the full screen protection. If you like this video, please hit the like button and let me know your comments in the comment section below. Please subscribe to itech channel for more videos. Thank you for watching itech.